So where we left off last time, we were heading into Outback New South Wales to pursue an opportunity, which has seen us for the last 6 weeks managing a caravan park in Wilcannia, New South Wales, right on the Darling River, 2 hours out of Broken Hill. Both a new job we've never done anything like before, and for the first time, living full-time in a remote town, have had big learning curves. We food shop once a month and can get post deliveries once a week. Since we work between 11 and 18 days straight, most of our time has looked like this. So as something slightly more interesting to show you, for one of our weekends off, we went with our new friend Ramona, who also works on the property, to the nearby town of Whitecliffs. Whitecliffs is featured on Seven Mates Outback Opal Hunters and is home to Australia's first solar power station. We stayed at the Whitecliffs Underground Motel, who have arranged prior have pet-friendly rooms. Conveniently, this is also where our friends Regan and Matilda have been working, so we got to catch up with them. So we came out today to just have a little tourist look at the holes and found the tiniest little bit of opal, and now we're obsessed. And we're all sitting in the dirt digging.
Going back to much older.
I think this is
show me your good bit.
She has to be turned the other way. She is
Stunning.
I mean, that's just my life's work right there.
All right, we've got the full house today for our opal mining adventures.
We're going to find all the opals.
We sure.
Are you ready, Bundy? Okay, so we're off to have a little bit of a break. We've been opal hunting all morning. We found some little slivers.
Little bits.
We're doing okay. We've lost Regan because he had to work, and that is the reason that we all know each other, because of work. So it's just us and Ramona and Bundy.
Bundy's been helping us. He's been digging up holes.
Yeah, we can go here, dig.
Opal miner from way back.
Yeah, he's very into just eating the white rocks though.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll have some lunch and then we will do some of the tours around Whitecliffs. And yeah.
In the rodeo.
Get all of our tips for finding bigger pieces of opal.
Yeah.
On our last night, Ramona and I got absolutely stitched up with our black light, finding absolutely nothing, thinking, damn, this is boring. Meanwhile, Ben's finding handfuls of stones lighting up.
But you have to, oh geez, that's a big bit. Look at that. It could be, it couldn't be, because it doesn't show if it's posh or not, or if it's potch or not.
Here, look, we'll collect them all.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Is that one there?
maybe you have to, if it looks anything like bird shit, it probably is bird shit.